welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Advik and today I will teach you how to make this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So before starting the video, please like, share and comment my video and subscribe if you like this. So let's start it. Hello guys, now you can clearly see that my whole cube is scrambled, and I will make the blue color first, as I saw that 2 pairs of blue are here. I mean 1 pair. Okay, then this 2 blue. I have to take this, make this 2 blues. So I got 1 here. I take it down here. You can see 3 parts are made of this. I got a 1 blue here. I'll just take the opposite of the block I want to make. Here I want this, so I did it here. Means here I want this, I take it here. Okay, so I will simply do like this so that it will not be scrambled. Okay, I did it 2 times. I take it upwards, and now you can see I did that algorithm at the opposite side of this. Means it was here, but it is now here. It was here, but I did it here as I want to make this. Okay, I did it like this as this will not be scrambled. I did this down and 1 more time. That's it. Okay, you can see my first color is made. Now I have to make the first layer. Okay, luckily I got this too. I like this. Okay, you will see that. I know, but for your clearness I am seeing this. Okay, by mistakenly. See this. If this red side's opposite is white, then this right is this, then this would be orange. Okay, and orange is here, orange is here. So I have to, so some people don't know, so I'm telling this to you. I do it down and I simply remove from here, as I have to make now first layer. Achha, okay, don't be worry. Now I will tell you how to make this. So I have to take this here. I can't do like this, as this is very tough situation or I don't like. Okay, so you better follow with me. I will simply put it here, and by doing this, see it is here, but if it would be here, not it is not twisted, or 2x2 would be twisted, or I don't know this, but 3x3s and 4x4s lot of are twisted. It can be twisted. See, so I don't know properly, my 2x2 didn't twist. Okay, then okay, leave that things. Let's try to make this. I will do this down. Okay, I'll put this here and this upwards. Now you can see my first layer is completed fully now, and I clearly know that blue's opposite side is green, and I like one more thing here, and I think God has gifted me anything like. So let's start making the second layer. You can see the opposite side of this is, sorry for the sound, opposite side of that is what do we say, that green. Sorry for the color, like anything. Okay, now this is green. I will check that if the greens in the right side, in the down, it is here, but if like it is not here, for example it is not here, think that it is not here and it is here. I'll check that from the left side. If there, I will keep it from the left side, the green one. I will check it that here is any color. Okay, I saw it that no, but here is. But I always check it right, so I got it. Okay, then start making one. This is one algorithm I'm doing. Okay, this right side up, this like, okay, this down, this side, this, and 2 times, and this. Okay, now you can see my whole cube is made. Only this happens sometimes. Okay, but I think don't quit this video, please. I'm saying anything. This many people do, so I said that. If like example we were making blue, no, blue and then this example. Okay, wait. Okay, this upwards came, and one more time this come. I do it from the left side, as you can see it was here. Okay, I do it from the left side. My up color will be made. Your also up color will be made. Okay, don't be angry from that. Just see this. Okay, now you saw that. You are seeing that. This, if this would be this and this would be this, then my whole cube will be made. This is two means I have to do 2 formulas and both are same. Okay, so from this side, this is green. I will do it from the opposite one. Okay, opposite of green. Okay, this I am doing 2 times from down, 1 time up of this one, then this down, this 2 times, this 2 times. Don't understand, my whole cube is made. Only this is left. If this will be this one. Okay, leave it. Now that only same. Just opposite of this is this, and down of this I'll do this method formula. Okay, that formula is this. Okay, my whole cube is made. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video, and wait a minute. Okay, I'm telling you one more thing. Just I forgot to tell you. If anything would be like this, like I was making this. Okay, opposite is green. Green here is 2 green. Here is 2 green. Sometimes happen that here is 1 green, here is 1 green. So do that only step. Okay, but from here you have to do 1 step. Okay, from front. We'll do like this. This up, and then this down, this here, and here. My whole cube is made, but your that green side will be made. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you like the video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye, bye bye, take care.